Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this little spicy hot summery look. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Looking for a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. Whenever your hair is ready to be washed but you don't have time, just pull up a little low bun. This is what I do all the time. I'm like known for the sleek back low bun situation. But yeah, let's jump right in. I've been really into doing these chit chats lately. Just sitting down and doing my makeup rather than saying, go into this, go into that, go into this, do that. I don't know, I kind of just like talking to you guys and expressing some thoughts and how I feel. It's like a great outlet. This is a great outlet just to talk to yourself, but you're really not. If you guys want to see like quick tutorials, follow me on Instagram. I do like little mini Instagram videos, you know what I'm talking about. So if you guys want to watch those and get like a very quick idea of what to do, great idea. You could go ahead and follow your girl. So go ahead and prime your eyes. I use my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, the best primer ever. I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette. I've been using this for a minute, you guys know. I feel like I don't switch up palettes too often. I feel like when I like something, I like it and I just keep on using it until something else comes out. But yeah, I'm gonna go into this shade right here with my E27. And I've been doing this look a lot lately. It's so cute, it's so vibrant, it's like fiery, sassy, spicy. It's really cute. So I'm gonna blend this right into our crease. This is like our base color. So I'm going on to a little trip to Mexico, which I'm super excited for. I feel like I really do need it. And I'm not gonna vlog it or do anything like that. I'm gonna just take a lot of Instagram videos and pictures. You know what the deal is. So I literally packed in less than 10 minutes. I'm such a good packer, I swear to God. I'm so organized and know exactly what to pack, especially for like tropical vacation trips like this. All you need is swimsuits, a couple like cute lightweight dresses, and a speaker. You have to take a speaker because wherever you go, poolside, on the beach or whatever, you want to jam out to your music, right? So I always take my little, I think it's the JPL Flip 4. JPL, something like that. I know it's the Flip 4, but I freaking love using that speaker. It literally comes in so handy. It's wireless, it's loud as hell. Now I'm gonna pick up this shade and this shade. I'm just gonna mix them two together, make it super fiery. The other day I went to Home Goods because that's literally my all-time favorite store ever, and they already have Halloween stuff. I'm like, what the, like, literally we're just finishing up summer, but it hasn't felt like summer in a minute because it's been freaking weird ass weather, raining and shit. Like, it's been hot just recently, like just this last week. Other than that, it was freaking like drizzling. I don't know what the hell was going on. Now they're bringing Halloween like skulls and shit. I'm not ready for it, not yet, please. Time is flying by way too quickly, it's kind of scary. Now I'm gonna go into this orange shade right here and just diffuse the redness so it gives it a nice sunset effect rather than stamp of red, you know? I got my nails done today. Oh yeah, that's another thing you need to take on vacation. A bright ass nail color. Cause you know when you get your tan on, oh, speaking of tans, I'm gonna show you my holy grail to get the nicest golden tan you'll ever get in your life. But anyways, get yourself a nice neon color nail so when you get the tan, it pops even more and you just look like a crisp golden goddess, you know what I mean? Oof, I can't wait to get a tan. I, for one, do not tan easily. My mom literally can sit for 5 minutes and get the tan that I get in literally 7 days. Like, it's not fair whatsoever. But this is my holy grail. Ready? Drum roll, please. Australian Gold. Not sponsored, but please sponsor me because this shit is bomb, okay? #1 fragrance. It smells like, hold on, let me open this. Oh, it smells like a bronzed coconut on the beach while you're laying down getting a tan with a pina colada in the other hand. It just smells so good. You smell nice and toasty and vibrant, and it has instant bronzer in it, so you have like a nice shimmer to your body, and it has 50 SPF, so you're protected. And then I'm gonna mix in these two shades right here. Let's do that slowly so you guys can see which shades I'm using. And just blend that on the outer corner and blend it into the crease. You're not gonna put too much brown because you want that redness to shine in, but this gives it a nice smoky, warm effect. And then you're gonna go into the Urban Decay Midnight Blast eyeshadow. They sell like these little individual eyeshadows that are shimmer and they're literally so good. Get into that real nice and just add it all over the lid. Just to have some more sass and shimmer into your eyelid, spray some MAC Fix Plus and then go into the shadow again to give it that extra shimmer. Now just blend away whatever shadow you have hidden in the crease very lightly. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Fly Liner and I'm going to add a thin line on the lash line just so I could camouflage my lashes when I put them on. Just like that, super thin line. You guys want to hear something funny? Lately, I've been having a lot of people look into my eyes and say, oh my god, you have a little bit of green in your eyes. And I'm like, where? I love green eyes so much. And now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if I just would never look at myself like deep in my eyes, but I've always had really dark eyes and now I'm noticing a little bit of green. Curl them lashes. I'm gonna finish off my eyes with mascara, add my lashes. These are my favorite Marti cosmetic lashes in Coqueta. Hope I'm saying that right. I love her lashes so much. I've been using them literally since I got the PR package. So I'm gonna apply this, finish up my face, and then I'll be right back. Caliente, 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 caliente. Watermelon break. Watermelon! Wow. That's a good watermelon. Alright, back to business, bitch. For under the eyes, we're gonna go into the same transition shade that we started with, and we're gonna blend right under the eye and connect what we have going on top. I'm gonna pick up my angled brush and just pop this brown right underneath her eye to make it a little bit smoky. Super close to the lash line, alright? And then blend whatever you have going on the bottom. This was probably my best watermelon I've had all damn summer. All summer. I've been wanting a really good watermelon, couldn't find one. But I finally found one. Now I'm gonna pick up my Dose of Colors liner. This is like the best liner ever. I'm gonna pop it into my waterline and my tight line. Add some mascara to the bottom lashes. Wrap it all up. We're almost done. This is such an easy, fast, glamorous look. Now all that's left to do is highlight my inner corner, brow bone, nose, and my cheek area. So we're gonna do that and then move on to the lips. Cute little nose. Thanks to my plastic surgeon. Pop it, shake it, pop it, pop it. You guys remember that toy? That was my shit. Now I'm gonna spray my face and then quickly add highlighter. Quick! Quick! Talk about blinding. Look how freaking amazing that looks. Thanks to the Amrezy Anastasia highlighter that is limited edition. And I'm running out, so I'm kind of in a midlife crisis right now. And I have a little pimple right here. But it's not a pimple, it's like I popped it, so there's like a little bump and it's supposed to go down. It hasn't gone down yet and I need to go down. I'm gonna line my lips using Boldly Bare by MAC. For lips, I'm gonna go into Dose of Colors Almond Butter. I've been obsessed over this after I got it and it's so good. These hoops are like too small for me. Like I'm not used to it. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the... But that's false, I just love big hoops. I'm not used to these hoops, they're so miniature. There's so many. Look at them, but look at that highlight though. Alright guys, that is it for today's little chit chat tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.